prepped all of our food. Got a variety of foods here. We are going to vacuum seal all of it with the Entrige, or should I say Entrige? I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. That's not really here or there. The whole point of this is to vacuum seal all of this, not just for preservation, but also to infuse the flavoring. That's what we're here. So I got mine set on dry for this particular chicken. For dry, normal strength, and we're just gonna start it. Let's just see what happens. There it goes. It almost looked like it wasn't going anywhere, but it's doing its job now. Ah, yeah, easy peasy. And there it goes. We just pop it open. There we go. And this little guy is ready to go. So now we're just gonna throw him in the freezer with the rest of it and keep it moving. Yay!
This is a sealer sitting on my counter. Here are the various buttons. This one for moist, dry, gentle, moist, normal. You can seal it, which you have to do at the end to start the bag. And then after you have the food in the bag, allowing 2.5 inches for sealing, you just go ahead and do it. This is what it looks like when it's open. Put the bag in here, put it down, press it till it clicks. It works better on a hard surface. And just make your selections from the buttons, and you're good to go.